Ah,
Him?
huh?
This is absolutely insane. Um, for an egg hunt in Swordburst 2, right? Or one of the eggs in there. BGM
Ah,
made this thing
huh?
where you have to say his name, or you have to say like his thing 3 times. You have to say plasma in chat 3 times. People are getting warned for it on Roblox.
Yeah, that's considered spam.
What, 3 times?
Yeah,
Are you joking?
we're live.
What? Okay. I don't know. That's insane to me.
We're streaming. Oh god, I can
Hold
hear
on,
myself in your mic.
well, there's nothing I can do about it, okay? I don't got a headset I can use right now.
Hello, Mr. Bread. So, what? Oh god, I can hear myself in your mic. Wait. I can hear the stream in your mic. Hello, Mr. Bread. I can't
This
do
is
this.
crazy. Oh, let me turn it down. Hold on. Is it better now?
I think
Maybe the
so.
stream. Okay. Oh yeah, hey,
Alright.
I wanted to ask. Do you think if I get a computer with like a, what's it called? An i7 processor or something, it'll be okay?
I don't know. I don't really know computer specs.
Okay. Well, I don't know what you have in yours.
Me neither. I bought it, and then I never thought about it again.
Oh, okay.
So, if you want to do area mechanics, there are
I
a
would
couple
like
things
to.
I need.
That's completely legal. And I have been busy, as you know.
Also, for the stream, this is Vinny. Vinny's here. He hasn't
Hi
been here
guys,
for a
it's
while. He's
me.
back.
I was busy in another world.
Now, if you have any complaints about Vinny, you can say it to his face.
Yeah, guys. Okay. Alright, so what area mechanics are you want to make?
Also, our nuke factory game has just under 1,000 players right now, which is crazy.
I have no idea how. You literally just changed the thumbnail. It's insane.
Made a meme thumbnail. Alright, Mr. Vinny, we'll start off with something easy.
Okay, what you mean?
So, Vinny's gonna be making this crap that I don't want to make right now. Like the spiky ball is falling.
Spiky ball? What?
Yes, so...
How's this supposed
Ow!
to work?
Ow, my leg. Okay, so if
Do you want me
you...
to make it so like... Okay, no, go ahead. Explain.
You can see that these balls follow a track. If you hit run, you'll see them go down the track. I just need them to keep doing that.
What?
I need them to, like, spawn in. It also needs to be client-side. So, you know, just a tag that spawns them.
So... Wait, you want it to be client-sided?
Yes.
So, save where their position is. When they fall off the world, respawn them.
I mean, I need to have a set spawn rate that I can choose. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, we just hit 1,000!
Does that... So does it matter, like, if they die, or are you okay with multiple of them spawning?
There can be multiple.
Okay, so spawn rate... do you want it to just be, like, a classic formula, like, 1 divided by whatever, 10?
Yeah, we'll just have a spawn rate thing.
Okay, I can work with that.
It's
I'll do it
pretty
real quick.
straightforward. My only
They
rule is
modeled?
that it has to be client
They are.
side.
Yeah, I can do that.
Cool.
What the crap are tags?
I turn off shadows because I can't see. Vinny's doing something. He's here.
That's
He's
right,
working.
guys, I'm here. Okay.
Dang, we actually hit 1,000 players after all this time.
Watch a script.
On the new
What should I
Tycoon.
call this? Like, spiky bowl?
Yeah, it's up to you. You didn't notice my pig statue with the tongue sticking out?
The what? I didn't see nothing. What are you talking about?
This guy?
What guy? What the crap is this? Oh, nah. Although that gives me an idea. This tongue should be able to retract or something.
Exactly. That's what he's
I'm
gonna
guessing
do.
that's is that one of my tasks?
You can make that one your task.
Okay, I'll make his tongue retract. Although, how's that gonna work? Is it gonna have to size it, or...?
Yeah,
Is
it's
it
just
gonna
gonna
go
do
back?
this.
Oh, literally just size? Okay, that's fine.
The only thing that's weird is that we have to find a way to trigger
Okay, guys. It's not been a year since I've been here, okay?
it. One thing I have to do to finish this place is make like support in the ground. Everything's made of the same stuff though. I gotta think about this.
Return. What can I get this?
I need to
Oh,
make
no,
like
you don't have to return with your tag system, right?
make its eyes pop out. What eyes? Got no eyes. What do you mean?
Eyes? What the crap are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
Those aren't eyes, man. They're just hollow. What are you talking about? Look at this.
Talk about, huh? No eyes.
Gotta have like a funny sound effect when this happens too. Alright, spiky bowl. Hayden, where do you get the instance from your tag? Does it pass it or is it just there?
It's just there.
Okay, so just self that instance.
Mm-hmm. Did you forget to post stream in Discord? Yes.
It's okay, just don't think about it. Alright, we're gonna do it with this. Whoa, I just activated an auto clicker while in a script. That was something. Okay. Self dot position. Actually, I'm just
Trying to figure out
self
what I'm gonna do for this. I think
equals self dot instance. Get pivot.
oh, I guess I was looking for this.
So, wow. Do you want it to be controlled like per ball instance?
Well, I don't want the ball to be tagged.
Huh?
We need a spawner.
Oh, okay. Now I see what you mean.
Those are just temporary.
Yeah. Okay. So just the classical part above it, that kind of thing?
Yeah.
Works for me. Spiky bowl.
Just
Someone
dox you with your
spawn.
name? Dude. My name... It's on my account on Roblox. How is that doxing? That's not what that means.
Uh-oh. Okay, spawn rate. We'll do... like,
Murder.
2 seconds. See that.
What do you mean? Oh, Minecaster. Nuke Factor has 1,000 players. You should know. You wear a gym box.
So, do you think it's worth updating them?
No.
Okay.
Clearly, we don't have to update to get players.
I guess so. We just have to change the thumbnail every once in a blue moon. Okay, I'm not gonna tag this. Spiky ball. You are not tagged.
Did you delete your chat message? I didn't know you could do that.
Let me grab my trusty old part here. I'm literally just gonna use the C-frame. I think this will be fine. I can store the ball in here. I'm pretty sure. You are now mine ball.
No, the player count is dipping. It must stay at 1 million.
So should these have like a despawn time or something after they start rolling?
Yeah, probably. That's a good practice.
Okay, what should we? Tags. I could make it like it could spawn anywhere in the box.
Add boson gamers. Boson!
I think that would be kind of cool if you could do that. They spawn anywhere in the box.
No, they need to spawn in a consistent place. If it's off,
Oh.
it will mess up the...
Okay, so you literally just want it to be one position, just based
Yeah.
on where it is. Okay, that's easy as fuck then. That's fine. Ah, God, I said bad word. I'm sorry.
It's not my problem.
I'm sorry, guys. I said bad word.
I think I can just do this.
Why are you moving a pillar in front of me?
That you would be in a script?
No, I'm naming the tag right now. I'm giving this the object.
I'm putting
Okay, so spawn.
supports under these platforms.
Okay, I'm not gonna use get pivot then. I'm just gonna use C-frame. Actually, no, I like get pivot. You can control it easier. Okay. Test.defer.
Biobone blade? I can't believe that happened. Someone thinks that's real. They're just delusional. What are they talking about?
Okay, in that case, I'm gonna make it do this too. Spawn C-frame. Now we're gonna say. I'm just gonna make the instance invisible because it doesn't need to be seen. Do that. By the way, Hayden, I'm not used to the whole shared typing thing because in Swordburst 2, for like a solid week, we always use the commit system because that's how Max has it set up.
That sucks.
It's a pain in the butt. Hey, no, don't be saying that, man. That's not nice. Query equals true, and now we're gonna do king query equals false.
The Biobone sword. Biobone sword's banned.
Now that I think about this, we don't need to use a part. We could just use attachments, couldn't we?
I'd rather use a part. It's easier to move.
Okay. I'm fine with that.
There should be enough room for a spike ball.
Because it's on the thing, so I'm just gonna make it invisible, because if I destroy it, it's gonna destroy the freaking tag.
Yeah, it's traditional. This is just enough room. That'll do.
That's will work. Alright, we're gonna do that, do this, blah blah blah. Test this. Now we're gonna say while true do. I'm gonna store thread. Do that. Function spike balls.
Everybody, it's Vinny's birthday today!
What? What are you talking about?
Wait, it's not far off.
What is it? It's May?
You said July 30th, right?
Yeah, my birthday's July 30th.
Okay, I'm getting better at remembering.
How about Hayden? Lone's birthday is the 18th of May.
I know a lot of May birthdays.
He's coming up, bro. He's coming up.
I don't really know him though, so it's not my thing, I guess. He talked to me. Okay. I have to correct you on something.
Hmm?
You said to me, I don't have to like Lone, and you don't have to like Rick. But I don't have Lone freaking blocked and muted.
Okay, me and Rick do not get along. It's as simple as that. I don't want to go like into this again. Okay.
I mean,
Yeah. The conditions of it are different, but we do not get along. And never have.
I think things are quite different now, for reasons I won't really talk about publicly.
Well, yeah. I'd rather not even talk about this on stream. It seems a little silly.
I think you should give him a second shot.
I'll think about it. Okay.
He's a troll, but he's really not bad. Like, I work with him.
Oh yeah, Hayden. Speaking of other stuff I don't want to talk about on stream, there is something I want to DM you real quick. I want to see your opinion on it.
Boulder could be used for a puzzle. Yeah. I mean, I'm not using boulders, so we're using death balls of spike. Spiky death balls of death. Yeah. Spiky ball of death. Let's see.
Right. You have been sent. Also, for obvious reasons, please never let that leak. So, that's fine.
Interesting. I guess I'll talk to you more about that off stream.
Yeah.
Is what
I
happened
really
to
don't-
loan public information?
What happened to him?
Yeah. What he went through?
What he went through?
Traumatic
What
event?
do you mean? Say it one more time? I did not hear what you just said.
He went through a traumatic event recently.
Oh. You mean,
Can I talk about that in stream?
is that what you're talking about?
Yes.
I don't think he'd mind. I mean, yeah, he definitely went through a lot, that's for sure.
As someone who's been through that before, Ocean Wall, it's very traumatic. It's very hard to... I don't know who was at fault. I don't know the situation.
He told me that he like totaled his shoulder, and his health is already terrible, so it's really done him no favors.
Ocean Wall is a horrible thing to go through. No one should go through that.
Yeah.
I'm not very close with him, but it just sucks, man.
I know, trust me.
Luckily, I didn't have any injury when that happened, but that is awful. I would never wish that on anybody.
Same here, man.
At least it wasn't worse. Certainly could have been.
It
Hello,
was him
Mr.
and,
Caleb.
his friend, for sure, that it happened to.
Welcome to the stream, Mr. Caleb. Caleb's been around a long time.
It's true. I made friends with a lot of people from the Bone Sword server. I started going into VC there.
Sim builder. I still am waiting on him to respond to me again.
Actually, I don't need to use task.delay. I can just use... Actually, yes, I do. What am I talking about?
Delay.
Task.delay.
Delay.
So-
You say it like delay?
Delay, okay? I'm sorry. My throat was, like, dying.
Delay.
Okay, buddy. Spiky ball that destroy. There we go. Spiky ball. That should be a spawner working. I don't know how the hell I'm gonna test this, but We're doing it.
To make it actually hit you, it's gonna be different. We're gonna need a different type for that, but it will be easy.
Is that gonna be a touch connection or a raycast?
Touch.
Okay. Does play here work in here, or does it break and put me in spawn?
It does not work.
Crap. Is there any way I can get there fast? Yes, there is flying.
How was my day? It's going good? Yeah, it's going pretty good. I
Dude,
I
it's
made
not
the mistake of
working.
playing Rocket League in the
My
morning.
ball is not working. It yelled.
I wouldn't recommend playing Rocket League in the morning. It's not a good way to start your day. Other than that, it's pretty good.
I used to do that and it made me feel like crap.
Yeah, everyone's just toxic. Sucks.
Yeah. The Rocket League's a very toxic game.
I just wanted to have fun, man. Some guy said to me, played it. Some guy said, "How did you sneak your way into this rank?"
Sneak?
That's what he said. What
What
the
a
heck,
nice guy.
man?
Oh my god,
So
how many
uncalled
areas
for.
do I have to go through to get to this?
Oh crap! What happened?
Whoa, dude, this lava area looks awesome.
I really like that one. That one came out real good.
Holy crap. I am not envied of you though for why is there a bed?
It's from Super Speedrun.
I know it is, but why is it there?
It's like a Minecraft Nether thing. Someone, I don't know, someone suggested that in chat, and I thought it was funny.
I see. What area am I supposed to be in? Is it this one?
Gordon, what's your favorite food?
Ah, there it is.
Hmm.
Hayden, I think it works.
Awesome. It probably works too well, judging based on the tone of voice.
It's throwing a lot of balls out, but they're going in different directions.
I want to see this. Hold on.
Like, it's throwing a lot of them out. Rate a little less, I'm not
Oh
gonna lie.
my god.
It is working, though. Alright.
Ow. Ow, 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 ow.
Do they need to, like, not collide or something? Like, they're supposed to fall in a straight path, aren't they?
If it has a higher spawn delay, then it won't be an issue.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna make the spawn rate like 0.5. Maybe that'll be
What are you
okay.
guys talking about in chat right now?
I'll make
What's my favorite
spawn
food? What is my favorite food? What's my favorite food? I don't know. Probably Chinese. I could eat
You
Chinese
can
every
control
single
the
day.
despawn time and the spawn rate, by the way, of the if you set an attribute on the part of each.
What's your favorite food,
Alright.
Beanie?
What's my favorite food? Man, that's a question. You see, I'm a person who hasn't eaten a whole lot in their life, in terms of like different types of food.
Oh, that's a good idea, Mighty.
I usually eat a lot of the same consistency, you know? Like, for an example, I've never eaten a freaking taco.
You gotta have a good taco sometime.
Sometime, man. One day.
Mighty pretty much just said we should add a golden totem that does the Indiana Jones thing.
That's pretty funny, actually. I like that. Alright, do you want me to make them work, like, deal damage too? Or do you want me to just move on to the tongue?
I'll make this part a little bigger.
I mean, okay.
To make it do damage would be pretty easy.
Alright. So, do you want me to do that one?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna call this Spiky Ball Spawner instead. Because that's what it is. Here you go, buddy. Have your new tag.
Let's see, Phoenix. What do you want to see about him?
Oh.
Don't say Pan Express. No, I hate Pan Express. I used to work there. I hate Pan Express. They just let the food sit out forever, man. It
Okay, for a
sucks.
while.
I have an idea. This is freaking awesome. I'm doing this now.
Oh.
I made these little spots for the spiky balls to spawn in.
Yeah.
What if they ride rails to get here?
Rails. Oh, that would be cool actually, and it would work too because you wouldn't have to do anything with custom physics because Roblox would just work it. That's nice. All right, I'm gonna coat the ball. One sec. I'm gonna do them with tags too because I don't want to just like coat it into this. That would be really nasty.
I was thinking they would like come out of the wall or something. I'm gonna have to make something.
Wait, real quick. Should this be like a damage, like touch damage tag or a spiky ball tag? Because is there anything else which is gonna deal damage by touching you?
It should just be a generic damage tag.
Okay, so just name this like, uh, touch damage or something.
I also wanted to do knockback. You could call it like touch damage is fine. That gets the point across.
Do you already have something in the system for that?
I have things you can call to make it do that.
Works for me. Interactable.
What's the
Where do you want me
spawn
to
rate?
put this for your organization? The spiky ball spawner.
Wait, how do I do spawn rate?
You can either put it in the script, like as a default, or you can just give it an attribute called spawn rate.
Alright, I accidentally made it a boolean. Spawn rate. Alright, we'll do... Honestly, it should be a delay and not a rate. I'm gonna have to type like 0.4.
A delay.
Yeah, I'm gonna change it real quick.
Okay. Is there anywhere you want me to put this for organization? Because right now it's in world.
Nah, it's fine.
I'm just gonna make another one then. Call this touch damage.
There we go. Spawn delay. I'll put it
I
at...
got a feature where it can touch you like multiple times. I don't know about any ideas, guys. I've been away. I've been working on this game called Swordburst 2 for a very long time. That's
It
why I've
doesn't
been
know about
away.
the zipline. What's happening? Oh, it has the lifetime is too short. Despawn time, I'll put it in like 30.
Let's start.
No, yeah, Vanny doesn't know about the zipline. How is it spawning every second?
Huh?
So the zipline idea is really cool. You can
It sounds
see
fun to make this one.
you can see where it is. It's like at the beginning of this temple.
Wait, did you already code it?
No. It can be a fun challenge though.
Are the balls working?
No. I'm gonna change this.
Does your tag system have a connection table?
Yes.
Is it just table.insert self.connection?
Yes. Exactly what you
Excellent.
think it would be.
Dot touched connect function. That's all I need to know. Function touch damage.
You work with Abstract Alex? Not me.
I do work with Abstract Alex.
Oh, it's lowercase. I thought it... My eyesight's not so great. I get second-hand info about him. There we go. That's so freaking cool, man!
Self untouched.
It doesn't really make sense that a spike ball would be rolling on this, because it's made of spikes. I don't
That's
know
cool,
how that is possible. Doesn't matter
That's
though.
actually sick. Where'd it go? Yeah, I'm a fan of that. That's cool. Alright. Quick question. Do you want me to make this so it has the ability to like perform multiple touches, or is it just one touch and it's over?
You could do a cooldown. the way the cooldown module works here is a little bit different, though.
Cooldown.
It's
Touch
pretty
cooldown.
cool. I like it. You have to give it an instance.
An instance.
Yeah.
Where is the cooldown module? In replicate storage?
Yes. In the event.
I don't even want to talk about how I just typed that. Local replicate storage.
One touch is and it's over. Have it like all the orc area is crumbling and will roll balls.
Aha! I guessed it.
What are you
If both
talking
modules
about?
not even- I guessed it.
Okay,
Is
before I
documentation
do
gonna help
that,
me here, or is it gonna kill me? It's gonna kill me.
there's still a couple floating platforms here. Need to put something.
And I'm pretty sure using types we can assign like how Roblox will see the functions and stuff in our module. So like it will tell you exactly what you need to pass.
Yeah, but it also tells you the name of the variable. And that makes it
Yeah.
really obvious.
True. I haven't messed with it, so I don't know.
I'm just not a fan of how it looks. I think it's ugly.
It's fair. It's part. Okay, I'm gonna do part. Now we're gonna do touch damage, get play. Part.
We could totally put
Sure.
so many secrets in this area. It's unbelievable. So much
You know what
potential
makes
for
me
secrets.
happy? It was one of my favorite things to do in Bone Sword.
I think I messed this up. I don't think I should do it this way.
I'm also kind of looking forward to remaking Statura. That's gonna be fun.
Add another traps, maybe one that shoots an arrow when you pressure plate. Flamethrower on the side. I was actually gonna do flamethrower. I don't know if I want to do an arrow, maybe? That'd be kind of
Hayden,
cool,
this is
though.
starting to remind me of the old times of Bone Sword 2, where we were making traps in a freaking desert temple.
That was fun. It sucked, but it was fun.
It sucked because we didn't know what we were doing. Players get to play with some
Extreme
characters.
ideas.
There's the no heart. There we go. Return.
I need to connect this somehow.
I'm gonna return this because I don't need anything else. There we go.
I just do this.
Heart. Local player equals self. Get player. If not, then go away. Cool. Oh, okay. What do I need to call to deal damage?
In enemy system, there's a function. I don't remember what it's called. It's like take damage.
Huh? Should the cooldown be assigned to the object you're touching or the player who touched it?
Object. It can only do
Okay.
damage to you. It's client side, right?
Oh yeah, that's right. Wait, in that case, then I don't want to check for any. Okay, I didn't realize that. I need to make sure that the player it's touching is you.
If you call enemy system, it already does that.
Say what now?
Enemy system take damage. I'm pretty sure it already does that. You have to double check.
I mean, I could just add a line though, like if player is not equal to local player, then
I think it does that already because you pass it a character.
What you mean? I need the enemy system. Where the crap is the enemy system?
Oh wow, I'm so disoriented. What the heck just happened?
Ah, got it. Okay.
Can
So
you
the
show your
function-
workspace? I want to see it if it's organized. Well, this area isn't organized right now. You just have to take
guys.
my word for it.
Although I think anything's more organized than the old Bone Sword. That was terrible.
It's not organized right now because we're working on it.
Okay, so I need to check if there's
I
not a
can
player
show
at all
you.
on my turn.
Everything below this point is working on. But when we do organize it, this is what it looks like.
If player.
This?
Okay, how the
Each
hell does the
area.
cooldown module work?
We do. And I have to put things in models strategically so I can have them stream in and out.
Hold on, let's see. What the hell? Cooldowns equals table. What? It gives you a function? Okay. Pretty sure, so if I check if it returns true.
I feel like this is not good.
Okay. If not, self dot actually cooldown. Self dot instance.
I like how crazy this song is.
Touch damage. 5?
This is circus music.
Touch damage dot cooldown equals. I don't know.
How
Do,
did
like,
I
1
select
second.
that?
Well, but cool. Cooldown time. Do this.
I gotta put some parts on the ground and stuff, eh?
Turn here. Cooldown.
This place has insane potential for secrets. There's so many spots that you can go to that are just like weird and off to the side. That's gonna be awesome. I can't wait.
Cooldown time. That's done. Do this. If not, in return. Not the cooldown with cooldown time. Is it? Do you check if not cooldown to determine if it's on cooldown? Or...
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wait, no. For that reason, I do need to check here. If not player or player.
Vinny's doing the dirty work.
The dirty work.
He's working
That's
on
the first
the things that I don't want to do.
damage player.
Well, I do kind of want to do them, but if I don't have to, that's great.
Crap. I need to give it a damage value. I'm not going to assign a default damage
Nah.
because that's going to cause an issue. I'll do the
Make the ghost in the vampire area come out of the graves. There's only one ghost. It's the boss.
damage. Okay, what else you got for me here? What the crap is direction?
Okay, so direction is for blocking. You can't
How do I
block
get a
it,
cooldown? Okay.
so don't give it a direction.
How do I do knockback?
Do you want it
that's
to be
what I-
blockable?
Probably not. It's fucking massive like ball. Although we could make it have a variable, like if it's blockable.
That's what direction is. It's a block direction.
How the crap do I calculate that though? Would it have to be like where your character is, minus wherever it came from, like
Just
down there?
use the velocity of it.
The velocity
Yeah.
of the object.
Yes.
Okay.
I don't know if that's gonna work nicely, but it might.
Assembly linear velocity?
Yeah, it's really dumb.
What the crap? I'll make it work.
Actually, that won't work because if you put this on something that's not moving, it'll just be nan. Make the ghost come out of the grave then.
Okay, how about we just
Let's,
forget about that for now and then add it later if we feel like it.
yeah,
Okay. What
if
you
we
prefer?
feel like it. That's the way to do it.
Mm-hmm.
This is a pretty cool song. I like this song. I like this song.
Actually, no, that's done. Cool. Local player, get this, blah 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 blah, do this crap.
I think this area is now complete as far as the
Alright,
structures
knock
go.
back. Okay, how the hell do I knock them back? Let's see. Visualize ball, get closest players, iterate characters, get player. Okay, I don't see anything for knockback in here. It's gotta be somewhere else.
I think I'll just make this a hole that goes dark.
Sir, where did you hide your knockback?
Okay, knockback is in the character.
What the why is it in the character?
I believe it's in blocking, because it's part of the block system.
How do I get it then?
Oh look, take knockback. That's what the function's called. It's in combat system. Wait, no it's not.
Hmm?
Wait, what? This is for enemies. What? No,
Is there a player one?
I know there is, I just don't know what it's called. Okay, it's called knockback. Yeah, it's in blocking.
How do I get blocking?
Alright, so here's the function. You have to get the character, you have to use tag system to get the character.
Okay.
It's a little weird, but it's
So
definitely
tag the kit
functional.
modules dot no, it's framework dot tags. It's done. So I have to get the character class of that player, right?
Yes, which is you. You can assume it's the local player.
That's not an issue. Local tag. Tag system dot get tag, I assume?
Yeah, it should be.
Character. Does this automatically wait if it's not there?
No. If it's not there, just don't worry about it.
Okay, if it's not there, I'll just return.
You can probably assume it is there, to be honest.
Okay.
Okay, I think that's everything about this block.
Like how that looks much.
This song really does just sound like it's from Doom.
Character class knockback? You said the function's called?
Yeah, it's for some reason it's just
What?
knockback
Does it take a direction, a number? What's it take?
direction.
Okay. I'm gonna have to calculate where the player is based on where you get hit. That's fine. Direction equals self. No. Yes. No. Maybe. Yes.
Those are the opening lyrics to the song for Malcolm in the Middle. There's yes, no, maybe.
Okay,
It
buddy.
says, knock him in the middle. A TV show with Bryan Cranston
Character.
and that's the dad. That's his dad. It's Bryan Cranston. Does she know?
Instant stop position dot unit. That gives me a direction, and then direction times. Is it just direction times power?
I don't think this has a power. I think it's just direction.
Okay.
No,
Just
yeah,
direction.
it's just direction.
All right. Then I think this should work.
So if you want to give really strong knockback, you're out of luck. Hey, where's my hand?
I mean, I could always go, add a variable to make it give strong knockback.
Uh-uh.
We mean not.
Can't be
I
done.
don't need a destroy function because the connection gets cleaned up automatically. That's cool. Untouched part, so it gets the local player, gets their character.
What's your Discord? Just my name? Just click them. What do you want to know? Want to send me something? It's gonna be a zip bomb.
It's gonna be a pipe bomb.
You can send me a zip bomb.
Okay, for the sake of making this simple, I'm just gonna do it like this.
I'm not gonna open it.
Simple chain to make it small, works for me.
Oh.
Alright, I'm gonna test that. I need to, no, I need to just set something bad, bro.
Okay.
Nah, I really just said something nearly really bad. Oh, okay. Touch damage. Hey, I should probably tell you, I'm not running off much sleep. I've been having a lot of problems with sleeping.
Yeah.
Damage, number.
Add me. I'm offline. I'm not adding you, man. I don't know who you are. I don't add random people. This is freaking awesome.
1. Alright, I think I'm good.
Oh, it actually hit me.
We did do damage?
It does 0 damage, but it does hit me.
I just coded it to start doing damage, so maybe it will now?
Did my... That's weird.
I just coded it to do damage. It should work.
I didn't know it was gonna work already. I was just going in to see if the spike thing is set up correctly. It's a little too easy, I think.
Did it
I'm
do
gonna
damage?
make it spawn more.
Trying to test it. Is there any way I can get to this area faster than flying?
Type go to spawn, and then go to the temple.
Go to spawn. What?
It's a command.
Oh, it's a command. Okay. Man, you really are using this admin system for freaking everything.
If I need to debug, it's so helpful.
Temple. That's pretty cool. Alright, please, deal damage. Why do I hear gunshots?
That's my temporary thing to tell me there's no music.
What? I didn't realize we were adding guns to Bone Sword. Alright, deal damage to me, ball.
Oh,
it works.
God.
Holy crap, it worked. Oh, but knockback didn't work. It says missing method knockback of table.
Interesting.
I didn't spell it wrong. There's no way.
Let's see.
Knockback.
It's probably...
What?
Oh, you didn't get the block class, did you?
Crap, you're right. I got the character class. Is it just character class dot block?
Do character dot classes dot block.
So character class dot classes dot block.
Yeah.
Okay.
Should we put like freaking particles on this thing?
Yeah, you should go touch it real quick. It's very
I don't have
harmless.
that much health.
No, you should go touch it. It's very harmless.
See if you can do it without dashing. You might need to dash. Oh, you can.
Don't die.
Up!
Don't die. These things are lethal. They will kill you.
You can probably get away with like staying on the edge. Oh my god.
The gunshots are insane.
To do this without dashing is pretty dang hard.
Yeah. Oh no.
I like how they just fall. They're getting cleaned up down there. I put them in a box because I want to let them fade
Alright,
in.
well, I'm done with that task, so I guess it's time to do the tongue.
Can you make it do like 1 damage to see if the knockback is working?
It should be working, but yeah, it will.
I'm very curious to see what it does.
1 damage. You just have to change the hitbox. Oh, let me do that. Alright, it does 1 damage now. You should try like constantly touching it. I just made the cooldown time 0.1.
Oh god. Okay, that's not good. Let me undo that.
That's done. Spiky ball works. Alright, next is the tongue, man. Go do the tongue. Where's that tongue at?
I don't think you should do the
Let's-
tongue.
You want me to do the tongue?
I mean, you can make it activate, but I wanted it to be activated by something.
I mean, I was just gonna make the animation where it goes out in it.
Yeah, you can do that. It just won't be able to, like, be activated yet.
to be triggered?
I don't know yet. Thought we would come up with some kind of puzzle.
Works for me.
Why is this music so crazy?
We also need to make traps.
I mean, we're doing that, right? That's what we're doing.
Well, I mean, we got the spiky balls, but like, is there anything else like the flamethrowers and the dart traps and crap that I guys said?
It would be cool to have a dart trip.
Dart traps are interesting.
The arrow doesn't come
Would you do
from
like
an enemy.
velocity, do you think? Or would you just like, I don't know, like move some freaking arrows across?
Oh, we've already got an arrow system.
Okay.
Why is this teleporting? Oh, they're spawning way too fast. Alright, see if knockback works. It's kinda hard to tell. It's very hard to tell if that's working. I might put them in a player's collision group.
Alright, tongue. Okay, if you want it to be activated, I'm thinking just an attribute or something. Like, put it on there, and it activates.
Spiky bone spanner! Yeah, I'm gonna put this in
That'll
player's
be-
collision group.
Suitable, Mr. Sir?
What?
Just a simple attribute on the object itself, and it just activates it.
Yeah. That's what I would do.
I don't know if I should put it on the part or the actual model. I kind of want to do it on the model because then I can do more effects.
Definitely the model.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
might have ate
Now
too much.
here's an insane question. What in the hell do I call this thing? Like, what is this tag?
I'd call it like tongue statue.
Haunting statue? Okay. Up. Didn't think I'd
I
have a
didn't
name
think
to type
about
out.
that. What did I call it? Let me see.
Nothing. It has no name. It's just a model.
I mean, I made the mesh. I saved it somewhere. Temple face.
No, you
That's what I called it.
called it what?
Temple face.
I don't even want to know the context of why it's called that.
I'm not taking knockback.
I mean, it's calling the class. Did I get the direction wrong?
Hmm. Let me see. What would that be? Did you put this in trigger?
No, but I probably should.
Touch
Right now it's
damage?
on roll. Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Action. You don't need to do that unit. It already does that.
Oh. Oh, okay. So that's why it's broken?
Oh no. Maybe knockback isn't like set up to be called. I've never tried to call it like this before. If you get action
not
flag.
sure. Okay, touch damage, got that. Next thing I need to do is the tongue. Right.
Well, action flag shouldn't be on.
That's such a freaking stupid name. Tongue statue. World module. Oh boy, I can't wait to make a tongue statue.
I don't know if we can use knockback for this.
I wouldn't want to code anything custom for it. That would kind of suck. Especially if there's already something in the system that can do it.
I don't think we should use knockback. I gotta think about this. It should only do this if you are blocking. Do that.
Crap.
Is blocking. Doop doop.
Man, the chat's quiet. No one's talking.
Yeah. Looks like this sometimes.
Gone to sleep.
Why does it think I have an action flag?
Not sure.
I guess I'll call it before we take damage. Maybe taking damage is an action.
Tongue statue on updated.
That's weird.
Actually, updated. Alright, so we're just gonna say self.
Getting stunned is an
updated.
action?
Table.insert self.connections. Self.instance get attribute change signal. Enabled. Self updated. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. That looks good. That looks good.
I might make a really freaking crazy mesh for a rail.
I don't like that. I'm gonna do it like this.
Okay, now the knockback works. It's just kind of like nothing. It's good enough. I just think it's like... It's so little knockback. It's almost nothing. I also wish my camera wouldn't get stuck in the ball. There's a solution to that. If I put the ball in the effects folder, it won't get occluded by the camera. And that's exactly what we'll do!
I can't believe people are getting warned because they're saying something in chat repetitively.
Yeah, it's kind of dumb.
Also, Hayden, my friend tried to appeal their warning for it,
Oh, crap.
and Roblox said no and warned them again.
That's stupid.
I don't know, bro. Stupid.
Mr. Floppy Disk, I believe Vinny can see your message.
Hi there.
Hi.
Okay, I'm gonna store the original size. I might have to do the position too, I'm not sure.
There we go. Now this is a smooth experience.
No, I shouldn't.
I'm gonna set the cooldown not 0.1.
Oh god, self.tongue size. Now that's something I never thought I'd write in a script.
We're breaking new bounds.
The tongue size, guys. That's what I'm writing right now.
Cooldown time. Did you put cooldown time on it?
Yeah.
Cooldown time. I'll just leave it at 1. Okay. So for these spiky things, I want them to come from the ceiling, but I don't have any room. Can I really just drop them from the ceiling? Do they do that? Can I do that? I feel like if I do that, it's gonna speed up and bounce. Oh crap. Oh crap, dude. Well, it's hitting the top of the wall.
Okay. We got the tongue size. I'm gonna name them all because I kind of want the pieces, you know. I don't think I'll have to do wait for child, but it is a tag, so I may. Do I need to wait for child? Probably not.
No,
But
you
it's
don't
nice to
have
have
to
both of
because I
those,
set
so-
the models to atomic.
Ah, I see. Okay. Now let's do this. Oh yeah, but we got the tongue variable. I'm gonna do everything with. Oh. Ooh, hold on a minute. I can do something with the teeth.
You
This is
can
gonna be
if you
fun.
really want.
Oh, I've got an idea.
I was thinking about it, but I was like, nah.
I don't think I need to do anything with his brain though. Except maybe give him eyes. I could just put like a part behind here and then like.
He doesn't
I
have
think
a
I want to do
brain.
that. I want to put like. No, I want to put like a red part, like just a simple part which goes across here, so you can't see it and it just takes up the eye space. So like when his tongue is out, he's just like neon red eyes or something.
Oh my
Or
god.
green maybe.
Is he evil? That was nice. That was a good guy.
I don't know, bro. He doesn't look like a good guy.
Oh.
The only thing about this, if I do it, he's not going to be spawned in, right? He's always going to be here.
Yeah. He's supposed to take you.
Is there going to
He's,
be?
He's supposed to stick his tongue out and rotate. So he takes you.
Rotate?
Yeah.
Okay, so all I'm doing right now is his VFX.
Yeah.
Or what he does, and like the ability. So when he rotates, he needs to like. Does he like tilt like here?
No, he's just got a pivot on him.
Pivot him. Pizza pie. 1 sec. What the heck am I doing?
Pizza pie! What is... He named the variable platform instead of tongue?
Huh?
That's what someone said in chat. The floppy disk said. It said, why do you name it platform instead of tongue?
It's called tongue. What do you mean? Krithim can come in the script if he likes. You can see it.
It appears we have been mistaken, Mr. Floppy Disk.
Self-tongue, man. I told you. It's crazy. Do you want me to code the thing where he moves like this too?
I don't know. It's only that one that needs to do it.
That might just be something custom then. Alright, well in that case I'm just gonna make him effects work. How many of them are there? Why is this one's tongue missing?
That one doesn't have a tongue.
So he just does nothing?
He's here just to get tortured. Because these spiky balls hit him in the face.
What? Bro. Wait, where's the other ones?
There's only one other one. This guy. He's gonna catch the spikes for you so they don't just stop coming down.
Okay, I'm gonna create the red part through code because I don't want to have to place on every single one.
That's
Or that
silly.
green
There's
part.
only 2 of them. There's only 2 of them, man.
I'd have to like go and put on. Really? Is there gonna be any more like ever?
Only 2.
Okay, fine.
The actual variable, not the object. He called it tongue.
Yeah,
That's
again,
what he said.
the variable is called tongue, man. I don't know what you're talking about.
Hey, it works. It's a little finicky, but it does work. Oh my god.
I don't know what kind of. Oh my god, he's beautiful. Hayden, look at him.
1
Green.
second.
Got the green freaking eyes. I'm gonna make it so his eyes disappear. Whenever he puts his tongue
Will there
out.
be a graphic settings to assist the less fortunate? Trust me, it'll be fine. It'll work. It'll be good.
I assume you're gonna use Super Tween to make this work.
I have to. I don't really have an option.
Yeah, so I'm not even gonna bother welding it. No need.
I'm gonna make this
Eyes,
spawn
teeth.
less frequently.
Alright, I'm about to do some very stupid things.
Is there gonna be a data wipe? No. No.
Nuh-uh.
Make this do 20 damage. So it's gonna do a lot. Won't one-shot you, but it'll get pretty dang close.
My eyes are watering up, man.
Gravestone doesn't work because the map's not set up. Your eyes are
Tongue
watering because
statue.
of how beautiful he is?
Yeah, I'm just, I have to admire it, you know?
I love this so much! If these things get like a rolling sound, it's gonna be awesome. Oops, I just killed myself. Why can't you add an erosion
Why does the
effect
physics
to
work
those
so
walls to make it fit more? What do you talk about, man? How do you dodge the spikes? You dodge. You hit Q. Dodge.
And I'm surprised the physics work so well.
I know, it's crazy. I think these are gonna have to have like hidey holes in the wall.
All right, I got the teeth, man. I'm gonna start working on this now.
Cause like, if I stand here, it's still gonna hit me.
Okay, so this will be the tongue size. So we need the teeth
Oh,
position.
the walls that
Starting.
obstruct your view in the middle of the course. I did that on purpose. They're supposed to obstruct your view. Also, you call it a course. It's not a course, man.
Self dot oh crap. Self dot teeth dot position.
Oh, this is so cool.
Oh, I'm gonna keep it C frame instead actually. Teeth C frame. Self dot teeth dot C
Oh.
frame. Self dot eyes. Actually I don't need that. I should keep this. Alright, time to make it. Oh.
It landed directly on me and destroyed me. So for these spikes, I might put a sound on them because they need like a rolling sound. Luckily, I have a tag for that. Sound player. Looks too tidy in an old temple.
You know, I don't know if it's bad if I'm doing a tongue
Man.
statue open function, but you know what? It's okay.
It's fine. It's fine. It's not too tidy. I think it's alright. I need like a
So,
rolling
sir, what is
sound.
next after the tongue?
After the tongue, this one's, you're gonna love this one actually. This is right up your alley. I don't know, better phrase. You've made one of these before. Wait,
What is it?
I need the lava area has geysers that need
Oh.
to make you go up.
Up.
Like they need to launch you.
Do you have effects already, or do I need to make that too?
Need effects.
Okay.
But I
So-
think for this, I might
So
make
they're
a
not
mesh.
coded at all. I just need to make it so when you go to it, it starts getting like bubbly and throws you up in the air. How should it do it? Should I do like a? Do you want me to do knockback? Do you want me to like give you a good bit of jump height and like, make you jump for a second, or what?
Probably just make you jump and apply velocity.
Alright. So apply impulse.
Or
Uh,
we can make it spew lava and it slowly rises and you ride it. I don't know how you wouldn't die, but you could stand on
What?
it.
that makes no sense. You'd like die if you did that.
Could we make it
Can we
make
make it like
sense?
the Mario thing when you jump in the lava? You just hold, you know that part? You just go up.
I don't know. I need help with this idea.
I'll think on it after I finish this tongue. Hold on. Tween info. So when you open the tongue, it's gonna do some devious things. One enum dot easing style. What's a good spring animation? So like it like goes out and then like elastic. I think. Let me try that. Tween service create. Self. So when it's open, we're gonna set it to
trying to find a roll
tongue
sound.
size. Self.tongue. Tween info. Tongue size equals self.tongue size. Gonna play that.
Why is it music?
How can I
Stone
lose the teeth?
rolling. Is music?
Ah,
Oh, Rolling
that's actually not
Stones.
bad.
Dang it, I can't do rock rolling because rock and roll. Dang it. Oh dear.
Wait, that's actually really not bad. Okay, so I'm just gonna make a random direction based on this. That works for me. which when we open it, we're gonna call that. And now we're gonna make a new variable. We'll call it local teeth position equals or teeth c frame. Sorry. Equals self.teeth c frame minus self.teeth c frame times point.
This is perfect.
Self.teeth. That's no. I'm just gonna do something artificial here. Do like 1.
How do I unmute this?
Do that. Teeth C frame. Oh, this is gonna be freaking beautiful. C frame. Do that. This one needs to be. So we're gonna call this tongue twin info. We're gonna make another twin info or teeth, which will be sign. We'll do tongue tween info dot time. Yep, cool.
That was weird.
0.8. Enum
I feel like I didn't
style dot sign.
type that, but don't worry, Mr. Ackrell. I'm also a nerd.
Fun size. Hey, it's a compliment to call us a nerd. I'm not gonna lie.
Is it?
Yeah, definitely. Like no questions asked.
Hey. Something weird happened in this script. Something weird happened here with this variable. I don't
What?
know how this happened.
We're talking about.
Spiky ball spawner. Some kind of find and replace mistake happened. But this isn't right.
Oh yeah, that was a find and replace. Because I had to change the name of it. I just kind of didn't think about that like at all.
I was wondering why it looked weird. I didn't understand why.
Close animation. I'm gonna. Should it slowly retract the tongue? That sounds so stupid. I want to do it now. Holy crap! I want to
Oh,
make
hi,
it
Mr.
slowly
Gospel.
retract the tongue and close his mouth.
Welcome to the stream, Mr. Gospel. Forgot to loop the sound.
Oh wait, shh! I need to do this here. Oh, I need to say the bad word again.
Hey man, it's
I'm
fine.
sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to say a bad word. You gotta believe me, man. You gotta believe me.
Roll off. Oh.
Okay, with that in the case, we just don't need this at all. This is just freaking useless. Self.tongue secret. No. There we go. Self.size. Yep. There we go. Delete that. Beep. Now we need size. I'm gonna do times like 0.8. That should do it.
Okay, so that's not enough distance. They've been holding like 1,000 players this whole time.
That's freaking crazy, bro. Info.
Oh, it's so loud.
Alright, I haven't done the eyes yet, but I want to see how this works. This is gonna be insanely stupid if this functions.
Maybe roll off mode linear is not a good idea.
And if it works well, I'll tell you. Right
Roll
now,
off
it's
the tongue.
erroring. I love errors. That's my favorite thing. I actually do love errors, you know, because errors make everything nice.
There's no hit sign.
Means up vector. Oops. Whoopsie.
I make it a little louder. I mean, there are huge spiky balls tumbling down. It's scary. It's supposed to be scary.
Why did the close thing not fire? That's weird.
Apparently, take damage needs to fire the damage effect manually.
What the crap? It didn't work. What the crap, Matt? Alright, print. No. Let's see.
Dang, I didn't know I had to do that manually. What the heck?
It's gonna work. Is it gonna work? Is it gonna work? Is it gonna work?
It does have to do it manually. Ooh.
Oh my god, it said no, but it didn't retract. What the hell happened?
Touch damage. Touch damage.
Okay, this
touch
gun sound is
damage.
freaking killing me.
Just turn off music.
Man. Why do you have a gun sound as your default for freaking music?
It's supposed to tell me when there's a problem.
I mean, actually, I can't say that. That's also really that. Man, I'm nearly slipping up here. I'm nearly slipping up.
Ow. You can swear all you want.
No, that wasn't swearing. It was really bad.
Where's my damage effect?
Why is this not working?
Root is not vulnerable model. Wait. I thought I had the character class.
Wait, what am I doing? That's wrong.
Why is this a capital?
Hold on, sir.
Why'd you capitalize this?
What?
Character
I capitalize
class?
classes. That's just something I do.
It's not a class though, it's an instance.
But it is a class if it's being returned from the tag
It
system.
seems we have a difference in how we view things.
But that is a class.
It's an instance of a class. That's like calling a part a class.
No, but it's a self-made class. That's just how I classify it.
I'm gonna have to really disagree with you on that. This works. You got the spiky balls off my to-do list.
Yippee. Is a tongue statue on your to-do list?
It was.
Oh god. Alright, well, I'm still doing it, so hold on.
This feels impossible. It's not. That's too hard.
I need to make a new vector. Vector 3.
Command called free item. Looks so much better already. Great job.
10.
You're literally practice makes perfect. Well, been practicing for many years. I wouldn't say it's perfect. But I'm trying.
I don't think perfect exists, I'm gonna be honest. Bro, why is the tongue not going in? That sounds horrible! Hold on. Tongue size. No. Start. Enable. Maybe? Gotcha.
This is an actual temple. It was kind of a temple before, but with the traps, it's actually a temple.
This is working. Okay, so I think I can just write an artificial number for this. Are these things the same size?
Things. Oh, the statues. Oh my god, what happened to his tongue?
Wait, what happened?
It became a quad.
It became a what?
It's a freaking square.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to move it back. That makes sense.
Why is it getting thinner?
It's not getting thinner.
Day one of
I was
Phoenix.
sizing it on one axis. Hold on. Yeah, it's this one. It's on the x-axis size.
If you die,
But I can't do that. Can't do this. You gotta move it backwards. That's how it works. Kind of annoying.
You can take one hit. It's pretty fair. But
Alright,
if
I'm
you
gonna do
die,
this.
you're gonna
I'm gonna
have
make this
to
easier.
come through all these puzzles again. Might have to put a second checkpoint up here.
Offset goes 10.
This place is kind of unforgiving.
Alright, give me a second. I'm gonna make this work. Local tongue C frame equals
Oh crap.
crap. I need the tongue C frame too.
No, no, no. I feel like I should
That'll do
make
it.
actual holes in the wall for you to hide. What's gonna
That'll be
happen to me? Taking into consideration, player will likely have armor by this point. I'm not sure armor is really gonna matter at this point in the game. I think I'll put a checkpoint here. Seems like a fair place. My god, that's so scary. It needs to have like a shadow. Should I do one of those Mario drop shadows? I'm gonna do some code. I have an idea. This might be a really bad idea. I hope it's not.
Why are so many people messaging me about Roblox work? What? Well, that didn't work at all.
Wallmaster Shadow?
Oh, I messed up the verbal. Oopsie.
I think a Wallmaster is a Zelda enemy. It's about the extent of my knowledge. Okay. Ball that heat box. Tag. Drop shadow. That's not what it's called.
Oh, this is gonna be something, man. This is gonna be something.
Or shadow.
I gotta get this like the. What? Oh no. Oh, that's the wrong direction completely. I need to use the right vector.
Floor shadow. Every shadow is on the floor. That's a dumb name. How about circle shadow? Okay, my idea. Pretty obvious, pretty straightforward.
What the?
I want to be able to see a circle on the ground for where these things are. It's gonna look a little funky, I think. I already know what problems it's gonna have. I'll do my best to make it look good. Right from the ceiling to player. Shadow slowly grows, it's falling down. Yes, that's exactly what I want to do.
Maybe it's a plus. I'm just guessing here.
Just gonna pretend I didn't see all that.
Did that work? Come on, man. What the fuck is happening?
I make this neon? Never mind. Let's choose fabric. Fabric has no reflectance.
Okay, how stupid is this?
I don't know. The problem that this is gonna have that
What the hell?
it's gonna go on these parts and do this. So I'm gonna turn off query on this. I'm gonna do this and it's gonna look stupid, so I'm gonna try to fix that. Cow.
Something is seriously wrong here. What the heck am I doing? If you subtract half of the size.
We're gonna do some programming on stream. I want to get rid of this stupid Ask Assistant thing. It does not need to be here.
Yeah, it really doesn't.
I keep clicking it by accident. I'm so annoyed. There has to be a way to turn it off.
Well, this is nearly functional. Nearly. There
Is
might
that?
be an easier way to do this, but right now, this is what I got. What the hell? He killed me, bro.
I don't want this on. Why does it keep turning this on? It's so
Very
annoying.
annoying.
Okay, I turned it off. Thank
If
God.
that doesn't work, I don't know what will.
They've replaced this, the
Okay.
helpful information with Ask Assistant. That's absolutely freaking unacceptable. That is unacceptable.
Okay, so if the offset is 0.8.
Clicking on this actually tells you information. They replaced that with Ask Assistant. Dude, control click. It opens up a browser. That annoys me so much. That's so annoying.
I think it needs to be sized the other way.
Okay, let me check the size.
Don't look at the tongue. Like, what the fuck? Why is it doing that now? Okay, hold on.
Okay, there's the width. Unfortunately, this has to be done every single frame.
0.8.
Actually, update. Oops. What makes the art for things like your profile picture? I did. I make my profile picture.
What the hell? I just loaded into the thing and it didn't load me into the game at all. It was just the space.
It's because it errored because I was typing something.
Oh. I see.
Okay. Let's see. What kind of distance should we use? Let's use a vector of this. I want to be able to see it falling from quite a distance.
God. This is so dumb, bro.
Alright. Every frame, we're gonna recast. Actually, let me do this to save on memory.
Alright, we're getting somewhere.
Yeah, let's just do it local.
It's two, maybe?
Oh no. I have to group everything now. That's okay. We're done building the map. That should be fine. Origin. You might have to.
Interesting. Why is it just not twinning?
You might get some errors from me.
Yep, that is why.
This is the right intersection point. Wait, does that exist? Oh no, it doesn't. Cool. So this tells me how far away it is. Should probably recast offset. We'll be fine, we'll be fine.
No.
You won't get any errors right now. I need to clean up the map though if I want this to actually show up. No, I gotta clean this up. I don't wanna
That's more
clean
like
it.
this looks insanely stupid. What the crap?
Simple.
This is some dumb math, man.
Oh, I gotta group everything. This
I'll
sucks.
do- Why is it broken though? Again?
I don't know.
It needs to move by half the size. That's the freaking problem.
I'm just grouping things at random. You are Phoenix. Hello, Phoenix.
Nuh-uh.
Doot, doot, doot. Phoenix is you.
God damn it, why are you doing it now?
Oh crap.
Okay, this really should not be that freaking hard. 1 second. I think I'm overcomplicating this. Self.tongue C-frame plus right back. Blah, blah, blah.
Thanks, C-frame.
Yeah, I know, okay? It's insane that I'm having problems with this too. Hold on. Offset equals x times 0.1. That's correct. I don't understand. Why the hell is it doing this? Times offset times 0.5. That seems right to me because it's half of the size.
Oh, there's actually a hole in the map. I'll applaud anyone who can get here. You might be able to do it with Dingus, Flingus, Flingy, Dingus, and Gravity Coil.
Unless it's just instead... minus the offset, then that would also make sense.
Okay, I think I grabbed everything. Except for
Is that
this.
working? What? Now where the crap did it go?
You just got shot. 2 minutes, you know, find a way? What other way than Dingus, Flingus? Gravity Coil. Okay, all the walls have been grouped. Now I gotta group these platforms. I'd be very surprised if this wasn't a Mario Paint song.
It should be offset. What the hell is going on here? No, there's a certain part of this formula I'm missing.
Are you just having Vinny problem?
Maybe the position.
Might as well just group this all together.
No, 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 no.
Have you played Grow Garden? No, I feel disgruntled about that game.
Point one.
I made that freaking growing mechanic in 2022, and no one cared. But now that there's a whole game about it, everyone's like, oh my god! It feels a little unfair.
That's because it is?
It's pretty dumb. No one cared when I did it.
Right vector times this. All I need to do is calculate how much it lost and move it backwards. Should not be that bad.
Let me make sure I've got everything here.
Right vector times.
That should be pretty much everything.
Current D-frame.
This song is awesome. This happy music. I should probably group these leaves together.
So that shrinks the tongue, and then you just need to move it back by how much, though?
Someone shrunk your tongue?
Yeah. I guess I need to calculate the difference. The difference of the tongue from the mouth.
They're the same.
What?
I have a tongue and but no mouth.
What?
And I have a mouth but no tongue.
Do you guys understand anything Rhythm says? I'm just curious.
Of course. They're all my little minions.
Your minions?
Yes, that's exactly what they are. What am I selecting right now? This is the thing that they
Alright, I think that might be the math I needed. It makes sense to me, at least.
down 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 down. Did I just move the whole map? I don't think I did.
What?
No, I would have.
What did it
I would have
move
known.
over there?
Fade. This place has so much transparency. It's crazy. Fades.
What is going on with
Oh,
this
God.
tongue right now, man?
Tongue statue.
I haven't done this kind of like math on a wall with moving an object, like, and also moving the position, so I just kind of forgot the calculation when you size it because it goes to the middle.
So you memorize everything? Is that how you work?
I memorize like methods usually, yeah.
You really ought to have an understanding rather than memorizing it.
I mean, I do have an understanding, but it's more like formatting it. Aha! I got you now!
How much time do you think you need to end the rework? Well, we have a deadline.
Oh my god, it's beautiful.
Deadline is June.
Is
Oh,
it gonna
yeah,
work
these
now?
things.
I think I finally figured it out. It's because I was trying to deal with the goddamn radius. And you have to time its radius by 0.5.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright. I don't want my brain turned off. Also, I'm extremely tired. I did say this.
Yeah.
Cool. Alright, let's see if it works.
Almost actually organized this area.
Enabled. This is gonna be so stupid. I cannot wait.
Oh crap.
What? Oh, that's so nasty. Oh, it's so nasty.
Oh god, what did you do?
Oh my god. You want to see?
I'm gonna find out.
You have to play with the variable or the attribute though.
Got an attribute to play with?
Put an attribute on it called enabled. On the object. It should descend first, so we should see.
Oh! Jesus.
All right, I haven't done the eyes yet, but click on him. Click on that, and now write a freaking attribute.
I already did it.
enabled.
I think your stream's behind. I think his teeth should move faster than the tongue. And he sticks it out.
His
Otherwise,
teeth?
he's biting his tongue.
Isn't that okay? This looks like the kind of guy who would bite his tongue. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, you're right. The teeth should move faster.
So he sticks his tongue out real fast. Oh god! I didn't realize it
It's
bounces.
insane. It's insane. Alright, I'm gonna do like
Boing.
0.25, so it's really fast. I do want to see if this math is completely
Oh my
correct though.
god! So nasty.
Do you like him?
I do.
I think he's a great guy. Is my math completely right now, or is it... Did I just get lucky? Oh, it's right now! I did it! So it was what I thought. Cool.
So, for the zipline or?
Ah, dude, I made his tongue extend out longer temporarily, and I'm telling you now, he's like really biting down on it now.
I don't want him to bite his tongue.
Well, he doesn't want you to bite your tongue, but you know, we don't get what we want sometimes. I don't know if I overcomplicated that, but you know what? I don't care. It works. Yippee. Should I tween his eyes or just set him?
If you set it and play a sound, it'd be horrifying. It's so
Something to me.
sudden.
We need one of those boing sounds, you know what I mean? Like, or like,
What?
something.
Oh, there's your Vinny sound for the day. The heck was that?
I don't know. Alright, that works.
Let's put it here. Alrighty!
All I need to do now is this. Cool.
Alright, so we're gonna need some technology. Technologia.
Self.eyes color equals self.eyes.color. Keep that.
Found a way. Only one way. Yeah, this isn't bad.
Actually, no, we'll do eyes transparency.
Involves really fast input and item swapping between gravity and dingus.
No, we haven't
Is
used
it really
for
that
years.
hard?
Okay, so when opening animation happens, you guys say self.eyes.transparency equals 1.
I mean, this
Or
is a
CC
pretty
both.
high gap. There's not a lot to work
Oh,
with here. You could potentially boost off of this. Get up here. Maybe. Is it too high? I really like the slide or the dodge launch mechanic. We need a name
Boy.
for that. Dash
Make
launch.
what? Alright. I think this monster is done. I'm gonna test him. He's a horrible creature.
Okay. I need to check if it's anything, actually.
Oh god, that mouth!
Maybe I
Oh yeah,
shouldn't
that's
set the
good, bro.
parent.
I have to see this. This is so stupid. Alright, he's gonna be a balloon, and ta-da!
Actually, we can set the C-frame.
What? Oh, I've done the wrong thing. Boolean? Let's do it, bro. Oh, his eyes didn't appear. Oops.
Okay, C-frame, we'll just do get ground C-frame normal. Actually, that's probably a bad idea. Max distance. Oh, I didn't have to raycast at all. Max distance, random rotation. Okay. Position, max distance, random rotation. I could have just did this the whole time. Then I don't have distance.
So fucking stupid! Oh, I love it.
I'm gonna make this return distance.
It
Never
is
mind,
so
it
fucking
is
stupid.
just-
I love it.
Pretty good.
So he's not even gonna use this. I'm just gonna do a time artificially.
I don't need the absolute value of that. Alright. This needs to be positive. Do this. That's distance.
Cool.
And we have the C-frame. The distance will control the size. Let's do... need a width. Ah, here we go. I'd like to give it a shot, but based on what you're telling me, it seems like it's just too far. So as this gets closer to the full distance, alpha will be closer to 1. I need to do 1 minus alpha. There we go. I have it now. I
Alright.
hope I
think
did
he's
this
done.
right.
He needs a sound, but I think he's done.
I might have did this right. If I did do it correctly, we're gonna have really cool circle shadows on the ground. Hey, I see it. It works. It has collision though. Oops. I can't believe that actually works.
And you gotta test him. If you're in test mode, you gotta try it, man. He's so stupid.
Okay. As you can see, the shadow flickers, which I think can be fixed. Doesn't look very realistic. Does help a bit. And reduce that.
It's so gross. I love it. Did you try him out?
Not quite. I'm testing out something else. That's pretty freaking cool. I
What'd
hope
you do?
this doesn't kill performance.
Wait, what'd you make?
I made a shadow on the spiky balls to tell you how far away it is.
What the crap? What'd you do to calculate that?
Traditional things. Can we
Like
see
just the
the
way it
enemy
goes?
actions? What do you mean? See what the enemies do? Touch damage is good. I don't need this anymore. Launching enough speed at the top of the tree over to the areas, get you on top. My goodness. My good
So
godness.
gross. He slowly retracts the tongue too. It's amazing. Alright. Well, he's complete, so I guess I'm gonna work on the lava geyser.
I don't really have a
This is
solid idea for what that should do, so do let me know if you have any better ideas.
well, from what you told me, it's just basically a movement thing. Like you walk up to it, it spews lava, it throws you upwards.
Throws you up.
Yeah. How many are
Transparency
there in
would
here though? Is it
be...
just this one?
I think this is backwards.
It's a cool concept though. I can definitely make it work.
Alpha... Is it redundant to have multiple variables here? I gotta think about this. Alpha would be closer to 0. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Okay, so the point of that was to have it fade in when it drops. Like this. Huh. Gives me enough time to react. Might have it fade in a bit faster than that.
It kind of feels like we have creative mode being able to fly around and bounce with insane.
You know what's funny? The Tycoon hit 1,000 players and then it quickly turned around.
What's that now?
872.
Yeah, that's
I,
right.
I just think it's funny that we actually hit 1,000 and that's where it stopped. Exactly 1,000.
Yeah, it's alright. It's alright.
Am I doing this wrong? I think I am. I think I need to square it. See what the orcs will do when they attack? They only do one thing. No, I didn't get it backwards. Could be wrong. Let's
Okay,
see.
so this needs to fire out lava and push you upwards. But how do I trigger when? Do you want it to be like you walk up to it and it starts working, or it just works on like its own timer?
The tongue?
No, not the tongue.
Oh,
The
that
lava
thing.
geyser.
We can make it so you have to trigger it.
So just the exact same thing I did with the other one.
Yeah. I just don't know what we'll do to trigger it.
It's fine by me.
So for these, I need to turn off.
I'll have to use a distance check or something to see if you're close enough to it.
I need to turn off camcord for these.
I love the tongue, man. Oh yeah, Hayden, the way I made it, you should be able to have tongues in different sizes and stuff.
So weird.
You can also have different colored eyes.
Yeah. Can't turn
Tongues
off
at
collision
different
for this, so
sizes.
you'll fall through. kind of important to have collision here.
Is there any more insane things I don't know about, like the tongue guy?
Nothing quite as cool as the tongue guy. Okay, now the shadow shouldn't flicker as much. I hope this doesn't kill performance, because this is like a lot of render step connections. Yeah, that's way better. It's a pretty significant amount of render steps. I really don't like how it doesn't go over the bricks.
Guys,
This is all the orcs do. Hey, where's the... I forgot I turned the lighting off.
How many geysers are there?
2. There's one to get into the area in the first place. Okay, so it might have been completely pointless to make the shadow. Oh, Mr. DNA. Hey, maybe it's not pointless. This still helps.
No, that's pretty cool. I like it.
It's just like a double shadow.
I'm probably watching a delayed part to it because I'm looking at your stream, but it's okay.
It's supposed to help with this specifically. Where it
Gonna find a really good sound for that tongue, man, when it pops out. I can't believe how well the bolts work.
I can put this tag on anything. I can put the tag on me. What's it called? Shadow... Circle shadow? I have a circle shadow. It's kind of tiny. Yeah, it is kind of a Mario game now. I just realized there's a memory leak.
I mean, so was Super Speedrun.
I forgot to destroy the shadow.
Oh crap, I just deleted the part. I'm gonna have to name this geyser, that's annoying. Lava. Rock. Oh freaking no.
Interstellar Bouncer looks like a bubblegum popsicle? What the heck are you
What?
talking about? I like how you can see this shadow on the leaves, it's kind of cool.
Alright, I can go this now. World, module, yippee, new code. I love coding, I love it. Lava. There we go.
This place really came together. You know, I forgot to do the water. I still didn't do the water.
Hey, did you check out the tongue yet, man?
I haven't looked at the tongue, I haven't done the water, and I also haven't done the fire pit.
I can't wait for you to look at his springiness.
Alright, let's take a look at Mr. Tongue.
I made the teeth retract very quickly now.
Oops. Alright, Mr. Tongue.
So stupid.
Oh god.
It's actually so stupid.
It's perfect. I want him to have like particles that shoot out of him when he turns on and plays
Oh,
sound.
that was so nasty.
Down. This looks sick now. Thank you, Mr. Mini. It's the process. Check out the... I made a custom shadow for these things. So you can see when they're about to hit.
Needs a diabolical sound. Alright. What are you doing? So, lava geyser. This is gonna work nearly the same way as the tongue. Hayden, since we have so many objects, do you think we should like split some of these up into like in the tags, like into their own folders for the areas?
I already did. Oh, you mean the tags?
Yeah, like tongue statue. Shouldn't this be in like a folder for this area?
Potentially. I mean, I don't see that being used anywhere else.
I feel like we should.
Make a
Just so
temple
we don't-
folder.
Yeah. Just nice organization.
Is the hitbox too big?
I'm gonna grab the tongue again. I'm never saying that. Okay, here we go. Updated. Oh.
How's the zip line? I haven't done it yet.
How are you gonna make that work? Is it just gonna be a velocity?
It'll just be a little zip line.
Why would that have to be on the client or the server? Because there's your character, you probably get away with the client.
Spike a ball spawner.
Updated. Now we got
Make
the
it slightly
geyser.
smaller.
Alright, how the crap am I gonna do this? Firstly, I need to make particles. Let me do that real quick. Attachment. Needs to be like a nasty explosion. Like, really nasty. What the hell? What is going on with this mesh? Okay.
There we go. It actually looks like it
What?
makes contact now. I think my shadow just messed up for a second.
Yeah, I might have to actually place these on each geyser. Because doing this with math is just gonna suck.
I kind of love seeing the shadow on the leaves. It's pretty cool.
It's really gonna freaking suck.
This guy, when he's doing script stuff for the tongue statue, he's taking that out of my hands. It's great.
Do that. Over here.
What? What was that? What? That thing just freaking targeted me. What? Oh, I changed the size of the hitbox so it's different now. I'm gonna undo that. It was better before. What the heck?
Oh, I'm not gonna spend too long on this. Lock the part. Enabled. Off.
That was a scam.
Do we have anything for custom emits, like for particles, or?
We have a module called custom emit.
Well, that's perfect then. Okay.
So if I stand here, I'll never get hit. I might add like a platform you can stand on to take a break. The perfect space here for one.
Let's just play. I'm gonna do like 10. Does that work?
So I have like 30 minutes to finish this area, which I think is completely reasonable.
30 minutes?
All I need to do is make a fire pit and put some
Ooh.
torches or something. Maybe put water? That was on the concept art. Speaking of
looks like
concept
crap.
art, let's look at the concept
Oh.
art after all this time. Now that we've actually made
con-
the area. Yeah, I made a really quick concept before I made this place.
That's cool.
Let me load it up.
One thing I'm not good at, man. I'm not good at building. Drives me insane.
I'm not good at it.
I don't know how you were able to push yourself to do it. It drives me crazy.
I have no choice. So the concept has changed a bit, as we could see. I didn't go with the pillars. I decided to go with boxy walls. I didn't go with thick platforms. I went with squares. This stayed the same.
No, that looks like crap.
PGM is in chat.
APTM.
I didn't go with this thing. We went with rolling spikes, which I think is way more fun.
Don't want this. Don't want this crap. Don't want this crap.
So, things turned out pretty good, I think.
Are you streaming like each day?
I'm streaming 2 times a day.
2 times?
I'm doing 6 hours a day building. 42 hours a week just building.
When you wait, so when are you streaming again after this?
After I eat, I'll probably take a short break and then I'll come back.
I might be asleep if it's like 1 a.m.
It's fine. You've done good for me, Mr. Sir.
Well, I'm gonna do more before I go, so I'm gonna finish this. If I can.
I guess I'll put no checkpoint. I'll be evil.
Considering SP2 finally has an update out, maybe I can actually be around here for a bit.
Ah, what a nice day. Oh, that's fine.
I still need to nerf poison. It's so freaking OP.
Alright, it's gonna be hard to see for a second, but I'm gonna go with a little platform here.
Something like that'll work. It's kind of crappy, but it's okay. 1 to like 2. Oh, we don't want enabled. We're just gonna omit it. What does that look like? Well, that just looks crap. 10,
You could pretty easily get to this platform.
20. Hey, no, fair warning. It's been a minute since I've done particles.
I thought you were gonna say parkour.
No, particles. I haven't done particle work in a bit. So it might not be, you know.
I have to
amazing.
mute for a second. Not in Discord, but for the stream.
Okay.
Top group of platforms, eh? I'll let you guys know if I mute. This should be possible.
That's not too bad.
Alright, I wanna...
Definitely should notation.
I need to think about this. If I want to make a fire pit,
Drag.
it needs to be like a... It needs to be like a... It can't be like a campfire.
That's a good first.
Campfire is like sticks, stones.
What the hell is lagging me?
Oh, did you see the tree? A gigantic tree.
No beast crushed by a speeding bull. Those games are crazy, bro.
It's in this game. So this
Let's
ball...
just add every single
Oh my
thing,
God.
every game into Argue.
This ball's not gonna
Okay,
do anything yet.
And I just found something we might be able to use for the shop. There's a flipbook Robux particle.
The heck does that look like?
It's just a spinning Robux image.
That's kind of cool. I actually want that.
Here, I'll give you the ID. Well, I would if I found it again. Hold on. Found it.
Is it golden?
No, it's just white. You can color it however. Oh my god, it works. Here. Do what you will with this.
Let's see. Just name this part 1. I don't know why. Looks like it's 8 by 8. No. Man.
No, 4x4. It's on another protocol I was working on. Right now I'm just doing this. Holy crap, dude, there's so many freaking textures in here. Is that pixelated cat?
It's a little too low FPS for me.
Cannot be any better?
I'd rather just make a 3D one. This kind of looks like crap.
Okay.
Spiky balls. Hello, Mr. Fable. Did you ever meet Told Fable, Vinny?
Fable?
Yeah.
Is he from the haunted house video?
He is.
I never met him, but I mean, I saw him on the video.
Hey, did Fable have a haunted house? I have to remember. No.
I think he did.
Yeah, he did. He had the one with the freaking crazy doors. Oh, I gotta admit.
Yeah, the doors. That was cool.
Alright, no more meeting. Looks good. Thank you, Mr. Sir. I need to make a... You can see in action if you rewind the stream a bit, but I need to spend my time wisely. I need to make a fire pit.
Amen. That didn't look bad, but it also did not look great at all. Okay.
Blender! Now, if I was told Fable, I'd be like, why don't I just generate an AI model? And that's what he would do.
What?
And that's why I'm not Fable.
Generate an AI model?
He'd probably try to generate a fire pit.
Dude, Rizzo would have a stroke.
I was having a stroke just now trying to say that.
Is he still working on armors?
Yeah, he needs to do that. We actually need that soon.
I can make him do it. If you pay him, he's happy to. He wants money.
I'll pay him. He just freaking hasn't said a word to me.
Yeah, Yato keeps robbing him. I can talk to him. That's fine. Okay, how the hell do these particles look? That looks absolutely crap. What the hell are you doing, Beanie?
Are you still here, Mr. Fable? Was I too mean?
Well, that's kind of cool. Smoke. Volcanic smoke. I like that. That's cool. I don't like that one. That one looks like shit. This is good though. I mean, yeah, I like that. That's kind of cool. It goes up. Alright.
Is that your half-sure voice?
Give or take.
Mr. Fable, you said your synthesizer thing is coming Sunday? That
Okay, no, the
should be
transparency is
interesting.
shit.
You let me know. Mr. Fable, you can... I'm kind of running out of time right now. But if you want to join my next stream, you can. Well, I guess I'll be joining you. I'm about to...
You want to let him, like, on the stream to talk?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can join this one if you really want. What's happening? Yo!
Apply.
Yeah, if you want to join, I'm fine with that.
Like a lot.
I don't know if you guys have ever talked.
We have not.
I like Fable. Hooper absolutely hates him for some reason.
What?
I don't think it's a fair reason.
Why does Hoover hate him? What?
Because he called him a snake.
Huh?
I don't agree with it. Just realized you're watching with a huge delay. Oh. Well, basically what I said was, yes, we can VC. If you want to join right now, you can, but the stream's gonna end soon. I'm gonna do another stream later, if you're around. I'm gonna skip this song.
Alright. I'm gonna make this shoot little lava droplets too,
Oh,
because why the fuck not?
Mr. Fable. We have a game that has about 1,000 players right now. We're actually doing decently.
Crazy.
We're doing it,
Who's this
man.
with the icon? We're sitting at 800. Not bad.
Yeah, just let me know if you want to join. Just know I have about like 20 minutes left in this stream. I'm doing daily streams. If you want to be part of it, go ahead. Oh god, this isn't working. Whoa, that's cool. I don't know you could do this. Didn't we talk about doing daily streams a while back? I don't think it ever happened.
Ooh, ball. Ooh, that looks like a good ball.
I'm actually doing the daily streams though, so can make it work. Oh, this looks like garbage. What am I doing?
Mandy. Hey, you think we're gonna do anything like Haunted House again?
Yes,
Alright.
it was a lot of fun.
Well, if you do, this time I will join.
I really want Hoofer and Fable to make up. Watch the beef. So
I don't understand how there is beef. I don't get it.
I think it's over something dumb. You guys can get mad at me for saying that, but I think it's pretty dumb. Just made it square. What time will you be on there today? I could say probably 7:30 Central Standard Time, CST.
50.
Yeah, that doesn't look bad.
20 to 20. And we just need a fuck ton of acceleration downwards. Let's try it.
This kind of looks like a flower.
Ooh, that's not bad. Okay, hold on.
Ooh!
You enjoy my ooh?
What the heck?
Ooh.
I think Hoofer just thinks I have bad ethics. No, I think, honestly, I think you were just too negative for him. Not that I have any issues with you. I think Hoofer just wants to be around positivity stuff. And you know, that's fair to him. But personally, that over positivity makes me envious of people. I really don't like being surrounded by stuff like that.
And is there any way I can show you a particle without having to stream?
You can enable
Well, no, it's an emit.
emit. No, I don't think there's any way you can. You'd have to run code for me, which I don't think is possible.
Right.
Might have been a little depressed at the time. Hey man, it's fine. Everybody goes through it at some point or another.
Yeah, bro, I fully know about that stuff.
I've definitely been through my fair share.
No, that just looks absolutely fucking stupid.
I really liked having you in the group chat.
That's not bad.
I think there's a lot of people in the group chat who don't even talk. And
Yeah, I'm one of them.
it feels kind of ridiculous.
Pressure.
Merge these again.
I don't even know what to call this. Smoke? First, I don't fucking know.
Hoover's a cool guy. I like Hoover, right? He gave me business. He started up my whole music commissions thing. I only started doing that because of him. I really appreciate that. He's been very, very helpful for me.
I think I'm done
He's been a
with
good
this.
friend. I just wish you guys could be friends again, because I don't like cutting people off like that. I think it's messed up.
Oh, good damn video.
I think what he did to you is messed up. Friends for a long time and just cuts you off. We don't all have to have perfectly agreeing opinions to be friends.
Finn, real quick if you can, DM.
That's pretty cool.
I think it looks alright.
I think it could use like another layer that shoots really high, because you're gonna get shot really high.
Smoke or lava?
Hmm?
Like a smoke going up really high or lava?
Some kind of like debris.
Like rocks?
I don't know. Because if you get flung really high, all that particle stuff's just under you.
Okay, I see what you mean. That's gonna have to be a really fucking powerful particle, holy crap.
Should be fun.
I want it to be something which complements the rest of them and not overpowers them. I'll see what I can do.
I was thinking of something that would just, like, hey, what the heck happened?
Yeah, I think I understand what you mean. It's just a little tricky.
What happened? My model got messed up.
Where the fuck did my library go? Oh, there it is.
There we go. There's a high-pitched noise that keeps coming through the stream. I don't know what that would be. See, what's happening here, huh? Wait, what?
I need to eat my dinner at some point, unless I fall asleep.
Did I forget to export?
How long have you been streaming for?
2.5 hours. Pretty standard.
Hey, would it make sense if I gave it lava bubbles?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah!
What the crap was that?
What is wrong with my model?
Thorn. Not bad, not bad. Okay, okay.
3D model skills have improved. I don't know, man. This is a freaking... Like, what is this? How's this a...
I actually don't know what you're making.
I don't think this is a good model. It's also glitching out like crazy. Some sort of bowl. It's supposed to be a fire pit.
Did you check the face's orientation?
Something is, like, corrupted with my model. I think it's because it's an end gun. Let me fix it.
I'm gonna keep this orange. I like the idea of it being orange. Time for Vinny to mute.
It's very hard for me to take a compliment. I guess for some reason I want to turn it into criticism. Okay, that's true. It does hold a flame. So I've got that part down. It's good. I'll try again. I don't know what's happening. Thank you for the compliment, Mr. Sir. That's what I should say. Personally, I don't think I'm very good at Blender. Okay, so something with this freaking model is cursed. I can't import it. Doesn't work.
I'm taking another video of you. I really like this.
I'm going crazy, right? This isn't...
Yes, you've been crazy the entire time I've known you.
Studio is not importing this correctly.
I really like this.
What's happening?
You gotta look, man. You gotta look.
Let's take a look. That's pretty cool. It's actual bubbles.
This looks sick. I'm actually really happy with that. There's a volcanic explosion and just a ton of lava bubbles.
I'm having some kind of... I think I should try an OBJ. I could try it.
Man, I can't show the stream when I'm working on it.
I can show him.
How?
Like this. Yeah, okay, let me... Can I potentially stream? Let me try this. Screen 2. Alright, let me show you what Vinny's doing. I don't think it's inverted, because I tried Shift N and it didn't change. Display capture. Left monitor. Left screen. Of course it picked the right screen.
Your stream is now black. What happened?
Hold on. Wait. Automatic. There we go. Hit the screen. Alright, here's what Vinny's doing.
Oh.
There you go. That's what Vinny's doing. Also, you just saw how squished my setup is, by the way. It's pretty cool. I love this. Went back to Blender.
Okay.
Looks sick. Fable said it looks sick, Vinny.
Thank you, Mr. Fable. Now it's time to make it work. Updated.
Oop.
So...
Let's try OBJ. FBX is kind of not working at all.
I just had a flashback to the past. Do you remember Updata?
Updata?
Or Updata, yeah.
OBJ doesn't support vertex killer.
I'm surprised we didn't get killed for that video.
I don't know what to do. I don't know why my model's like corrupted. Let me reopen
Oh,
Studio.
I'm just putting the attachment in the rock. That's probably... No, I'm just gonna keep it. Just gonna call this...
Hey guys, my stream is no longer on screen.
Grab all these. Put it in the old tag. Where is it? Where the
Viridian
fuck-
Moonlights. M1 from the current blizzard. That's true, it does have like a bubble attack. Please work. Please work.
The particles. Or underscore particle enters with script attribute particle.
Dude.
Hmm.
This is just not. This is just not right. Let me delete the FPX. I don't know what else I can try. You make your own soundtracks for Bone Sword? I do. I do. Is that is that new spawn? Yeah, it's a new spawn. I gotta delete this FPX. It's just corrupted. I don't know what happened. Let me try re-exporting it. There we go. Please work. Why is it breaking?
Alright, where's that custom emit?
Dude, what is happening? This is not what it looks like. My freaking mono is corrupted.
Emit equals require replicated storage.
Okay, I just have to accept that something is wrong with Roblox.
Emit.
Because it just doesn't look like that. What do I do here? I just have to accept my fate?
Yeah, I can't guess this one. I gotta figure this out. Custom emit.
I have to be using like the
Oh,
wrong
there it is.
model or something.
I was right. It was an event.
Why would I go back and forth like that?
Do I just give it the protocol? Oh, cool.
See, Fire Pit 2. So this is the actual correct file. Cross my fingers. Roblox, what are you doing? What is happening? Dude. I've never seen this before. I've never had a problem exporting something.
Oh wait, shit. No, I don't want to do it like that.
Roblox this stuff allowed before using it. Maybe if you export from Roblox Blender, you keep those modifications. But I can see what's wrong with it, but I don't know why that's happening. I gotta repaint it. I don't know. Like, what the heck is the problem?
And I'll be back. The rats are calling.
Okay. Spoken like a professional. I'm redoing the vertex paint. I don't know what else could be wrong. Try one more time. This is really just blowing my mind at this point. Like, how could it be this messed up? What is even happening here? It's like Roblox is refusing to import the actual file. The vertex color is just completely screwed. It's gotta be corrupted. I don't know. What could I do? I don't know what else I can do at this point. I feel like trying small, tiny things that might work. It's just being dumb. Dude. Roll me. Roll me. I just have to accept that this is not working. I don't know. Do I have to make a new model? Is it gonna work that time? Yeah, let's make a new one. Let's get rid of this shape. I don't really like it anyway. Will Noob Sword and Dark Heart still be limited to Dread Boss? They're gonna be different. I don't know what's wrong with this model, but Roblox just does not accept it. It should work after you remake it, right? There's no way the problem persists through a completely new model. That's just not how things work. Oops, oops. It's pretty much the same, but new vertices, fresh vertices. Freshly burnt vertices. I feel like I shouldn't burn it like that. This isn't the right thing. Alright, whatever. It works or it doesn't. If this doesn't work, I have to poop my pants. So, where's the vertex color? It's just not there. It's just not there. I don't understand what happened to my model. Why is this model completely just unworkable? Does this mean I have to poop my pants, or is this a technicality? Orc area. I wouldn't call the orc area a mansion. So it kind of just doesn't work. I completely remade it. It still doesn't work. I'm looking. Include is geometry. It's not really geometry. Vertex colors. It says it's on. I'll do it one more time. If it doesn't work, I'm just throwing out the vertex color. Opinions on resource gathering for RPG games? Opinions? Go ahead. Alright, screw the vertex color. It straight up just does not let me do it, and I don't know why. It's just Roblox. I don't get it. Hold on, I do have one more idea. If I import this in the blender, right? Just import what I have. We can find out if it's Roblox or Blender. So this is the imported file. It's not exporting. What? Wait, hold on, I'm taking the wrong thing. So why is it not exporting? What? I need a Blender master right now. Why is this vertex color not exporting? Wait, why isn't this working, man? Hold on, I gotta look this up. Blender not exporting vertex color. Color attribute, what are you talking about? Attributes, you need to convert color attribute to byte color? What? Let's try it. No, we don't use ChatGPT, we use Stack Overflow. Or Stack Exchange in this case. Alright, let's try it. Attributes. What is this? Attribute. Byte color. Click on the downer attribute, the color attributes. Right. Generic. Wait, what? This is different. Why isn't this different? These are byte colors. How do I see what this is? I don't know. If I... Whoa. So if I do this, the vertex color is gone. How does that work? Is it... Did I corrupt my vertex color by joining the meshes? Is that what happened? Did I make like 2 color attributes? Because there's only supposed to be 1. That's some weird Blender problem I don't understand. But I think that's what happened. It's me trying to understand it as someone who hardly knows what I'm doing. Okay, it works now. It has nothing to do with Roblox. The problem was because I joined 2 meshes. How crazy is that? Man. New Blender problem I didn't know about. At least I know now. Whatever. Can't run into this problem again. I don't know if I'll have enough time to finish this now. When did the...
Honey, I'm home.
I just spent like 20 minutes figuring out a Blender issue.
Oh, that sounds great. Did you see my message?
Yeah.
Did you like that message?
No.
Oh, okay.
I can hear myself in your screen.
Yeah, it's because I was watching the stream for a second. Sorry. It won't happen again. I'm sorry.
Better not. You know
Particle,
what? Let's
particle,
make
particle.
this metal.
That's been.
Is anybody even watching this stream?
Okay, so this is not going to be enabled. This is going to be a trigger tag. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
If I do smart plastic reflectance, set it to like 1,000,000.
No.
Hi, Jason. There's people actually watching the stream. Should I get a different fire particle?
Hmm?
Hmm?
Oh yeah, Hayden. Yesterday, no, not yesterday, the day before, I spent a ton of time with BTM just watching back your really, really old stuff on YouTube. Like the Timmy thing, Chalk, Fugu. Saw it all,
Jack,
man.
Fugu. It's a strange thing to do with someone.
Yeah, we were very bored. It's pretty great though.
Turn down the speed.
Floppy's watching on Xbox. What do you think about that?
That's pretty crazy.
That's crazy. That's pretty crazy, I must say.
Pretty crazy.
Crazy. See. Okay, we're gonna make a new function. Lava geyser.
La la la.
Where? La 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 la. Huh?
Did you see that in theaters?
No.
You weren't fortunate enough?
Oh. I haven't even watched it yet. I just know about that because it's been trending everywhere.
Of course. But of course, only the best.
I've heard that like theaters were getting destroyed though, for some reason. What was that about? Do you know?
Destroyed.
Yeah. It was like at the chicken jockey scene or something, is what I heard. People were
That's
going,
really
like,
funny.
people were going batshit crazy for no reason.
It's getting destroyed. Oh my god.
I don't know what the hell is wrong with them.
You stepped away to shave? Thank you. You already got hair all over me. So I think this looks like absolute trash. I need to change it.
Alright, we need to do a distance check. I don't think I've used get character or get distance from character in forever.
I think the fire looks okay. But the...
Hey, is that deprecated or does it still work?
it returns like infinite if you're dead.
Interesting. So, just do my own.
Yeah, I wouldn't use it.
It's a lava tag.
I don't think I'll have time to put the water. But I don't know if I really want water. How did half the game work but half of it broke?
I don't know. Coding.
We need a freaking piglin, dude.
That's not nice. What the crap?
I'm waiting for my game to not break.
Why is everything so fucking dark?
I want to put more of these things around to light it up, but I need to make sure that this ring doesn't get too bright. Do you think we should edit the chat?
No.
Nah, probably not.
Alright, if not character, then guess what? You're stupid.
He's typing something. I have to wait.
Yeah, that's right. How's it feel?
Trying to get a successful studio. Here we go.
Return to stones.
Wait. What? What is that reflecting right now? Is there like darkness at the bottom?
The text
Oh, it's reflecting the water.
equals like, I don't know, if you're within like 30 studs of it when it goes off, I guess. Like, why the fuck not?
I don't like this.
There we go. Oh my godness, it done a worky. Right. So now we're gonna say if self is in distance, then.
Here's a tip for you builders out there. If you want to make something look like spacey or slimy,
Slimy?
set the reflectance to like 50.
I've got some bad experiences with you and slime because of massacre miners.
That was goo.
Same thing.
I don't really like how this looks though, unfortunately.
What the crap? Why did I write P and nothing else?
Whoa! I didn't know reflectance worked on glass. Hey, I didn't know that.
I didn't know that.
What the heck? That's completely new to me.
Guys are lunch.
I just... Hold on. I found something I didn't know about.
Me too. It was very, very sad day.
I didn't know reflectance worked with glass. That's the only other material it works on.
Okay, local humanoid equals character, find first, not class, humanoid.
I don't know if I should use it.
Yeah.
I could do negative values, but that looks kind of dumb.
That'll work. Honestly, I don't really like writing color. It's freaking
Wait,
useless.
what? I could do all sorts of stuff to this thing. This is weird.
Oh no. Yeah, like this.
It's like taking the opposite color that I put in.
If there's not a humanoid, then we don't give a crap. Okay, so should I use Employ Impulse here?
No.
Okay, what should I use to throw you in the air?
Set the velocity.
Assembly linear velocity?
Yeah.
Do I need to make you jump first?
Yes. Otherwise it'll get set back.
So I need your root part is what you're telling me.
Okay, so apparently glass works with reflectance. And if you set the color of it, it changes the opposite color, including brightness. So if you make it white, it turns black. You make it blue, it turns orange. But it looks awesome. I don't know.
Vector 3 dot y-axis times, I don't know,
Wow.
1,000.
What a weird building trick.
Yeah, what a weird person. What the crap?
I just found this by accident. Someone else probably knew about it, but... That's weird.
Right. Lava geyser. This better work. Play. When's the stream ending, Mr. Sir?
Like 5 minutes.
5 freaking minutes. Okay, I gotta finish this in 5 minutes.
You have as much time as you want.
Yeah, but I wanna do this one. It's fun. Ah, the gunshots! Hold on. Where's the music volume? Go away. Be gone. No more gunshots. I've had
When's
it with
next
the gun.
stream? I can't guarantee this time, but I'm gonna say 7:30. That's my best guess.
Where the freaking heck and hell is the thing?
What time zone? CST. I don't know what kind of song I should do for this place. I'd do something like what's playing right now.
Where the hell is this command? Go to spawn, Vini. What is the lava one called? The crackle pit?
Yeah.
What the crap? Decent name, but interesting. Okay,
I'll
let's
put
see
a
if my
torch here.
coding
It's more appropriate.
it should function. Okay, they're in there. Seems to work. Now it's gonna give it the triggered attribute, and it should do a thing.
Well, Mr. Fable,
Triggered.
I'll be with you. Oh, I gotta change the song. It's got lyrics.
Well, that freaking didn't work.
Oh, an ad! Yes!
Oh, I put on the wrong thing. Whoopsie whoops.
Sorry for asking, but I needed to leave. It will have more levels after the clock world? Probably, yeah.
Okay.
I take those as a promise, and you won't break. I'm probably gonna get back from dinner around 7.
Triggered? What the
This
crap
is one of my
happened?
favorite songs in this whole playlist.
Okay. I
That
can't tell
dog
if this is
sounds, man.
okay.
That's so freaking cool. Who puts dog sounds in
Oh
a
my
song?
God. What the hell?
You just get flashbanged or something?
I think it worked. I was like, I'm not sure if it's working because the particles wasn't functioning. But then I walked up to it and decided to do it, and I went to the stratosphere.
Oh god.
So I think that works. Yeah, just a bit.
If you don't feel like streaming today, see, that's not an option for me. I have an extremely tight deadline. If I don't continue doing this, I'm not gonna make it.
Custom emit? What the
I
fuck is that?
actually have to do this.
Hayden, you got any idea why the emit thing isn't working? Wait, it takes an instance? Okay, I see.
Custom emit is just the traditional emit.
I thought it was like you give it the particle. I didn't think you had to give it like the thing which owns the particles.
Who puts puppy sounds in a song? I mean, come on, it's just the best. It wasn't more obvious where to go. Now it is.
Alright, this is gonna work, I think. Maybe, I don't know.
I try to put torches in the place that you have to go. Because it's supposed to be like guidance.
Man, not the bed. I kind of want to give it like like an effect, like while you're not near it, like it's got like little sparks or something on it, so you know it's like something.
It's a bed.
I don't,
What do you
I
mean?
don't know what. No, not the bed.
Oh. I say,
The
what the
lava.
heck are you talking about?
Yeah, let me go make the bed do that, Hayden. Let me do that. What? What?
What?
Why is it so delayed? Does custom emit, wait. Do I have to like test out the furthest crap?
It might.
Okay.
Oh no, Fable, I have to do this today. I genuinely am running out of time. I genuinely cannot say I'm not going to stream today. I have to. If I miss today, I might be completely screwed.
Hey, we have the entire month.
I have much more than areas to do. We still haven't finished all the bosses, all the enemies. This is going to be a real tight deadline. And even then, we have to do quests. We have to do
I mean, the
mouse.
system's working for it. I know that. We just don't have the UI.
Got the mouse.
I got the system working before. Alright, let's see. Does this crap work?
Just a ton of things, and they need to be done. I'm a little bit worried.
It seems like a ton of small stuff, though.
This is true.
Triggered. Boolean. True. Oh, that's sick. You want to see?
I can check it out in just a second. I've just finished everything I was doing.
Alright, you need to give it an attribute called triggered.
Okay. Why am I in castle? Alright. I believe this is complete now. There's a little bit more I need to do, but not right now. Do you know why physics move doesn't work in play mode? In play mode? Like right here? Like if I wanted to physics move this, let's see. Because there's physics. Probably because it doesn't anchor the part. Because it doesn't need to in Studio. I could potentially fix that, but why use physics mode in play mode? Seems kind of redundant. In terms of overall progress, what percent would you say the entire project is finished to release to the public? Okay, that's two different questions. Percentage of the whole project? I don't know. Percentage of until we want to release? Level 1000? I'd say we're like 50%. There's quite a lot to be done, but I think it can be done.
Probably one of the hardest things to do is going to be all the different unique mechanics for different areas and like the element stuff.
I can make this fire hurt you now, because we have a touch hurt tag.
Pretty sweet.
In the ball merge game, I felt like magically merging everything at once. You could just select all the balls and put them in the same spot. Like, set their position. Ow! Well, the knockback actually killed me.
Did you try out the geyser?
Oh crap, I'll do that now. I'll be feeling less time pressure later. Just trying to get to family dinner.
Crap, you might need to actually... Can you... Wait, can you, roll in the air? You can?
Yes.
Hold on. I might be able to do something with this. I'm gonna give them a controllable attribute anyway. But yeah, you can time it. That's cool.
Okay. Triggered.
Yeah, just throw it on.
Why did you make the... Oh. Oh, it's a toggle, I see.
Yeah.
Why did you make the slime like that in testing? What do you mean? Doesn't tell me anything. The slimes aren't final. That's something I can say. Those kind of have a lot of problems.
Lava geyser dot power equals 200. I can do that.
The slimes are kind of inescapable. Like, they just kill you. They have their own problems. Ah!
Are you happy with the geyser?
Yeah, that's good.
Pretty cool.
Like everything else in the game, it's gonna need a sound, but we'll get to that.
Yeah, sound design's its own freaking thing.
That's another thing we have to do. It's on the list. It's gonna take us probably 2 days.
Fucking... I'm not good at sound design. I never have been.
Sound design... I mean, it's not quite sound design. We're just finding sounds.
Still, it's just... yeah. I think I'm... You know, hold on. I kind of... No. If this worked based on a timer, I'd do something really cool where it like slowly fills with lava. Like it builds up, but it's gonna work with a trigger, so there's no point.
See how possible it is to do this. Oh, it's possible. Definitely.
Fell off.
You might need another checkpoint here. This is quite tricky. And next. Are you proud of your area builds? Somewhat. I'm a little bit of a critic. I think it could be better.
I think they're pretty good here.
I do like it. Ow. I feel like that's too punishing. Because if you get hit once, then you... If you die one time, then you have to come all the way back here and do everything again.
No, I don't think I should do that. That would be
Why?
weird.
Should put a checkpoint here. Or I could put a hole in the wall.
I don't think the spiky ball is blockable now.
No, the spiky ball is not blockable. It just
We might have some stuff
absolutely
blockable.
destroys you.
Yeah, I don't see the reason to be able to block a giant freaking spiked ball. Also, that one guy's right, bro. This is really starting to feel like Mario.
I think Ackrel said that.
It was Acro who said that?
I could be wrong.
If it was, then I apologize for saying the one guy, considering I know you.
I hope this doesn't mess up the spike thing. Move it down.
Oh god, I'm hungry. Holy hell.
Maybe like it could shatter to pieces if the player blocks the spike ball. Like the player's not that strong, man. Does this mess up the spike falling? No.
Actually, Hayden, that gives me an interesting idea. We could make it so, like, if you have enough strength stats for stuff, then you can affect, like, certain objects.
Maybe.
Yeah.
That'd be fun.
It'd be cool. I like that.
This is the song that has lyrics. I'm just gonna turn off the music.
What do you mean? The music's great with all the gunshots.
That's different. It's not possible. We need to put like a hole here.
Oh my god, what now?
And then you can hide here, but it's kind of risky.
Bro, I'm just trying to work on a stream. Please stop asking me to go to Swordburst too. You can't have me, man. I'm doing this.
So this is gonna be another spike pit full of spike balls that roll. You just have to get this guy to stick his tongue out to stop.
Get this guy to stick his tongue out.
Yeah.
It's insane. How are you gonna trigger him though? How are we gonna do that?
I don't know. We'll need a puzzle mechanic.
Did we ever talk about all the puzzles? I think we did.
Not really.
No, I could have swear we went into depth with Mini.
We talked a little bit about it. Need to put a hitbox on all of these.
Also, Hayden, when I get it working for the players, we can have the status effect system, so like if you step in the fire, it gives you burning.
That would be interesting.
I just haven't got it working yet. Acro, was it you who said about the game feeling like Super Mario?
Touch damage. Does it just ask for a damage attribute?
Yeah. Do you think it needs a damage percent, or does that not matter?
No, absolutely not. Percent is impossible to balance.
Fair enough.
Alright, this should work. That's so cool. Dude, that's awesome.
Did you give it like cooldown time? Because you can make it so if you're standing in there and you keep moving, you're gonna take a lot of damage.
I'm fine with 1 second.
Okay. That's really sick.
I need to put
How
this
would
in
it
all of them, which is I'm gonna
how
need
will
a
it
command bar.
work the lava area? Because there's no platform to walk to it? I'm not sure what he's talking about.
I don't know yet, but I'm out of time, guys. Next stream I'm gonna start with this, and then I'm gonna go ahead and work on the next area.
I doubt I will be alive, but I will be here tomorrow.
Alright. Well, everybody, it's been nice having you. Thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye bye. That's a cool looking volcano. Wait, is that a volcano or just a rock? It looks like a volcano. Oh, okay, I see what you did.